As a Jamaican, I mean alone of people in a rice and peas. Hey, barefoot rice and peas, but it up. This can eat alone.
Serve!
Come on, move your man and go.
Serve!
Come on, come on. No, come on, no, maybe a part of that, no, where you see the same.
Shop man, habers, babbers, babsers. Bumbo clock! Bumbo clock! I did what I could, and I could what I did on that exam. Anything. We bless the Lord. Understand? And what couldn't be did not be done because it could have did. And we praise God. What could he equal? Finger in blood. And I fuck it up now. Say that TikTok, you have to cuss to get to the go take my blood clot ticket, you have to cuss. And the big stinking security guard, you're viral. Suck your mother. That me I tell you, you're nobody has screw up on the man them. You don't see me order, brother. What go on? Me not take you back for you, my friend. That me a blood clot, me not take nothing for you. Bumbo clot. Then me order me go on in my yard, my friend. On. Big stinking supervisor up a KFC.
So we got juicy beef, right? Right. We're not putting a bad though. We're not putting a bad. I mean it's fresh and everything, but it's not bad like taste is. Right, Louise? Right. Yeah, juicy one, refreshing. It's alright. But no pussy test.
Look, you could tell where you are just by the water. The water. I'm sorry, Jamaica. I love you, but this is trash. This is not ginger ale.